Uh-oh.
Big Joe! Cheap travels. Travel on a budget. Hey guys, and welcome to a new video of Big Joe Cheap Travels. Yes, today we have a new video. Welcome to the new video. Today we are making a special lunch, yeah. Okay, what will we make today? Let's get into the video. If you don't like it, I will use that thing on you. Okay, guys? Okay. Yeah, today we're making turkey steaks with potatoes. And yeah, let's have a look in the fridge, guys, okay? I just opened the fridge. So today we'll make this turkey steaks. It's 1 day over the expiration date, but no problemo. We'll make this one, guys. Turkey meat, and yeah, we'll put some potatoes next to it, and I think it will be okay. Well, let's have a look. How will we go about it? We'll put some non-sticky paper on this tray for the oven. See, non-sticky tray. I mean non-sticky paper. And yeah, we'll put it right here. It's good, guys. It's good. Now, the next thing we'll do is open the fucking chicken thingy, turkey thingy. I just cut myself. Don't worry. All is good. Yeah, look, they're very thin, guys. I don't know if I can bake them all and still bake the potatoes next to them, yeah, like that. Look how they're spread out, you know. Yeah. So they take like all of the plate, guys. Whew. Maybe 2 potatoes I can arrange them. Yeah, this goes to trash. I can arrange them around that. Let's wait for that. So we have 3 potatoes, guys, here. We'll cut them. Oh shit, let me try to adjust this camera. Okay. Can we adjust the camera? Yeah, we can. So these are the potatoes. We cut them like on 3 pieces, then like this, then like this, then like this, and we put it here in between of all this crazy meat shit. See? And this will go also on the 3 pieces. 1, goodbye. Okay, we can do it like that. 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Then we put it here. And the last little potato, I think only we just cut it in half. It goes half, and we put it like here. There you go, guys. That's my kind of what I'm here for. Yeah. So let's put some salt on it. more salt. Then we have oil, guys. Oil. Let's put some oil, oil. Yes. And that's it, guys. We'll put it in the oven. Fan thingy. 220 degrees. And yeah. My lunch slash dinner slash breakfast will be done, guys. Let's put it in the oven, guys. As I said, let's put it in the oven. There we go. This one goes on. This one, yes. This one goes on 220. It's about here. And yeah, we're waiting like a half hour of this shit to be done. And for you, it will be only 1 second, guys. Only 1 second. There you go. There you go. So yeah, turkey steaks with oven baked potatoes, guys. Now, if I was any good cook, of course, I would have used a few onions to put on there, cut it up, a few garlics, put it on the top. But you know me, guys. I'm a really lazy son of a bitch. And yeah, that's why we're not using it. But if you're really serious about cooking, please do put onions and garlic with the thing, yeah? Okay, let's go back to the cooking, guys. And yeah, I hope you are getting some value videos and information about the cooking, yeah, guys. If not, sorry to have wasted your time, you know. But yeah, I'm just saying how to cook with zero effort, you know, zero effort to make something tasty. I mean tasty. I mean like eatable. Let's go with eatable, okay, guys. So yeah, I'm making something eatable with zero effort. So zero effort, eatable things are being prepared in my oven. If I had some, hey, if you have some of those eggplants, I would put them as well there, but I do not, so just a friendly suggestion what you should do next, you know. Buy those eggplants, buy those eggplants, my god, eggplants, okay, guys. Okay, let's go back to the video. Let's go back to the video. Is it ready, guys? Is it? Oh yeah, I think it is. Let's turn this shit off. Give it to the 0. My god, it's so hot. So hot. So tasty. So juicy. The steaks. The turkey steaks. Thanksgiving steak. You can hear it popping. My god. That's the fat popping out, yeah. But yeah, look at it. Look at those babies. Okay, let's get them out. Let's get them out, as I said. Oh my god. Ay, 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 ay. Caramba. Oh, fuck. So hot. Of course, I forgot to give onions, to give garlic. But look at the, you know, the steaks, they're well done. Potatoes, too well done, I would say. But yeah, the steaks, they look fine, yeah. 3 steaks for today. And some 2 potatoes or 3 potatoes. I put 3 potatoes, I think. So yeah. That's basically today's plan. So, let's get the steaks to the plate. There we go. Turkey steak, guys. And Potatoes. Maybe I really overburned them. We should have stick with like 25 minutes. Maybe I used too much oil on them, you know, guys. But yeah, still I think it will be tasty, guys. Okay. And that's the last of the potatoes, guys. Now let's use this fork to get mustard. We want some mustard with all of this stuff here. Mustard. It's okay. And that's it, guys. The final dish. The final dish. There we go. The final dish. Mustard, baked potatoes, Thanksgiving turkey. And yeah, that's it. The dirty knife, yeah. That's my lunch. Now let's try it. Let's cut it up. And Big Joe will eat it alive. Yeah. From little eggshell to big round turkey here to my dinner now. Even my t-shirt says it all. So there we have the turkey steak. It looks like kind of kebab, yeah. And mustard still on my fork. Sorry guys, I did not clean it because I will. Good now. Very good. And now some potatoes with mustard. Oh yeah. Again, guys, I'm creating food porn for you. I know you would prefer it the other way, that there was no food in front of the prawn, but yeah, what can I do? There we go. I'll go for another meat bite, okay? I don't know, meat, turkey, dipped in mustard. Now, to be honest, guys, this white bird meat cannot compare to the king of animals, which is called the pork. It's uncomparable. This much worse than the pork. Still okay, because it's meat, you know. But the turkey, Thanksgiving turkey compared to the pork neck, never get the turkey, that's all I have to say. But yeah, for the sake of the video, we'll go. Don't get me wrong, it's good, but compared to the king of animals, the pig, zero. And yes, this has been today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Next time you go to the shop, think really hard. You want a turkey or you want a pig's neck? Yeah, I would go for pig's neck. But yeah, much more healthier this meal, but okay. Pig's neck is still my number one. Until the next time, guys, be sure to like, share, subscribe. Put me your thoughts down in the comment. What is your favorite steak or your favorite meat? And I might just do the next video on that one, okay? Until then, Arrivederci. Ciao bella, ciao bella, ciao ciao. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Big Joe out. Take care. You take care. Now, to be honest, I did, I think, overdone this turkey finger a little bit too much for 5 minutes. See? It's a little bit dry. So I think what I should have done is let it out 5 minutes ago when it still was not like baked like this. Oh yeah, if you're making turkey meat and it's cut really thinly, 25 minutes will do it. Okay? Okay. I admit my mistakes, guys. I admit so. Okay. Let's see if Mr. Hachiko will eat the potato. Hacho, Hacho, Hacho. Hello. He's blind, so he doesn't see. But let's see if he can smell. Hacho, nah. And yes, Mr. Hachiko, he also eats the potatoes, not only meat. Right, right. My poor little Mr. Hachiko. And yeah, guys, that's the last bit of the video I can show you. We'll have some more of this turkey based meat. Not as good as pork, remember that. No. Potatoes. More turkey. And yeah. Did I have to use the onions and the garlic? Yes. Did I do it? No, I'm too lazy. That's why it's called zero effort, guys. Okay? So, for now, yeah, it's pretty dry, the meat. It should use some sauce or something, okay? Okay. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, comment. And Big Joe will see you in the next one, guys, okay? Till then, guys, Big Joe out. Take care. Next time, buy pork neck. Note to myself. Yeah, I know.
So, thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Be sure to leave your comment down below. Check out my video up there in the corner. See you in the next one, guys.